So let's take a look at the Arduino IDE and just do a quick overview of the software and the programming environment. So first of all, I'll just let you know that under the File menu in a folder called Examples, all of the preloaded examples that come with the Arduino IDE can be found here. Now today we're just looking at this one here, basics and bare minimum. So that's the sketch we have open right now. Everything else about this window is quite standard, just like any other program you would encounter. With a file menu, edit, there's a tools menu, settings, help, all of that sort of stuff. I'm not going to go through all of those in detail. What I'm going to do is just give you a quick overview of what it is you're looking at within this window. So here in the center, this is the main area this is the area where you will be entering your code. So all of the code that you write will be typed in here, and this is basically a text entry box. You can copy and paste text straight out of Notepad into here, or Word, or any other program that you like to type text in. So it looks very similar to a word processor, I guess. What you will see is some of these words are coming up in different colors, and that is because words which are reserved by the programming IDE automatically color code into a certain way. So up the top on this bar here, we have a few different icons. So our first icon is the verify icon. This enables us to verify our code to make sure it is all complete and correct. Then we have an upload button, which enables us to send the code directly to a connected Arduino. We have a new, an open, and a save button. And then over here on the right, we have a serial monitor button. Now I'll be talking more about the serial monitor in later activities, but for now we will leave it alone. Down here in the bottom of the screen, this is what I like to call the debug console. So this tells us any information that the compiler is sending us about the program itself. So right here, the compiler says it's done compiling, and it has given us some detail about how much memory it's using up. Let's have a look at the code itself. So this is empty code. This is the absolute minimum, the possible of code that you can download or upload to your Arduino. And this is a good place to indicate to you the main things. So the first one, of course, being this void setup. So the void setup refers to any code that goes between this curly brace here and this brace here. So the setup code is a code which is going to run once when the Arduino is first powered on, or if it has been reset. So this is a one-off loop of code to be run once only. This void loop command here refers to a code which will run repeatedly. So once the setup code has run, the program will then go and execute whatever code has been placed in the void loop, and it will continue to run that code over and over and over again while the Arduino is powered on. And once again, the code gets entered in between the braces.